Welcome back, you guys. It's your boy Rio. Welcome back to the channel. We're at 200 subscribers, or 223 right now, so thank you all for subscribing. I really appreciate it. First thing I want to do is lower the car just a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Eyes off the ground. Ooh, barely. Alright. It's probably not even going to be noticeable, but... So, like 4 notches-ish. Oh, there's no wheel gap anymore. See, that's what we were looking for. Alright, so right now we're going to go head out. I'm hungry. I just got done working out, so I'm going to stop at Burger King. And then from Burger King, I'm going to drive us to this location where she's going to drive stick. And I'll start the vlog there, but I'll see you guys in a bit. Yo! We're back. So this thing's barely mounted. We're going to try this out. It's like held on by the most flimsiest rubber band, ain't it?
Yeah. It's broken.
Yeah, I managed to broke it, so managed to broke it. Yeah, can I get 3 cheeseburgers and that'll be it?
3 cheeseburgers?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
Alright, thank you.
Boy, I need to shave my mustache. I'm looking like my auto manual swap video. Thank you. We're out a Caterpillar for that video, like. So everybody, and we made it safe and sound. Alright guys, so we're here at the spot. It's just an empty location where she's gonna practice stick shift, and I get to record some stick shots for the car. What is she doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just adjusting.
Adjusting?
Yeah.
Ooh, my car look decent though. It ain't perfect, but it's decent. Oh, what it is.
Hello.
I was trying to display it all beautiful, but
You suck.
you're not gonna need to adjust your light. You already adjust this?
I did.
Ooh, that shit's smooth.
You're welcome.
I know you guys felt that. That shit was smooth, and that second gear was smooth. Honestly,
It was.
second gear is like so tricky because you have to let go hella slowly, or at least in my car. I don't know. I haven't driven too many stick shifts that work. I'm gonna get out. You got this. So yeah, I'm gonna get some shots in because the sun's starting to set. What happened? All right. Jesus. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds so good. Boy, you can hear that shit. Oh, look at that fourth brake light. So it's her 5th day of driving stick shift, so she's not doing too bad at all. So it's always weird seeing someone else drive your car. Oh, there she is. Is she gonna stop? Nope. Hi, dudes. But I guess I'll do the outro right here. So yeah, this has been like a short little vlog. I got more videos coming you guys' way, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for subscribing.